up, letting go. Times we might feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another one that you guys requested on my Instagram that you voted for this really beautiful, simple glam look that is perfect for any occasion. I'm so excited that you guys asked me to recreate this because I honestly wanted to film this look in the first place, but I was kind of in a rush. But here it is once again, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm not gonna ramble too much, so if you guys want to see how I got this really simple, beautiful glam look, then just keep on watching. I feel a little weird right now because I usually never do my foundation. If you guys are new to this channel, I always do my eyes first. So like I said, this feels a little weird for me, but doing something a little different. So now let's go ahead and start with the eyes. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill original palette. You don't necessarily have to have this palette. I mean, I definitely recommend it. It's freaking bomb. I can't even stop using it. It's amazing. Like I said, you necessarily don't have to have this palette. You can use any browns from your eyeshadow palettes that you already have or single eyeshadows that you have. But I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here, which is M.F.E.O. I'm not sure what that means, but anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and use that one first as our transition shade. And I'm gonna use this color super light-handed, and I'm gonna make this more of a rounded eye shape. And I'm using the Morphe MB23, which is my favorite transition brush. It just picks enough color that it doesn't go on completely opaque. It lets you build it up the way that you want it to, and kind of blowing it out just a little bit closer to the brow bone. Starting with the other eye, the same thing. Alright, so that is our first transition shade. It's nice and blown out, it's nothing too crazy. So now we're going in with the second transition shade, and this is going to just deepen it up just a little bit. I'm going to concentrate this color more on the outer corner. I'm going to go with Pooter, Pooter, I don't know how you say it, Pooter, whatever. I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I'm using the Morphe M441. So like I said, I'm just going to keep this shade on the outer corner right here and kind of bring it in just a little bit. Just gives your eye a little bit of more definition without it being too crazy. As you can see, it's so pretty. And I'm bringing the shadow just a little bit onto the lid, but you want to keep this area mostly bare so we can put our glitter shadow on there. I'm just going to go in with my first brush and just blend out any harsh edges or anything, just to soften it even more. Alright, so those were the two shadows. See, it was super easy, super basic. Those are the only two shadows that I'm going to be using in this look, and also on the lower lash line, but I will show you guys that later. But now we are going to apply the star of this whole entire eye look, which is the Flashadow, and this is from Pop Beauty, and they are only $12. They come in 4 shades, and this one is my favorite. And you guys will see why. It is so beautiful, and it is in the shade Cosmic Confetti, as you guys can see. I don't know if it'll catch in the camera. No, you can't really see. It doesn't do it justice. Glitter is so beautiful. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see all the different reflex of glitter that it has. It has like pink, blue, gold, silver. It's magical. And these only retail for $12, you guys, like compared to like the Stila glitters, which are $24. I mean, they're worth the price, they're beautiful and everything, but not everybody got that coin, you know what I mean, to spend on a glitter shadow. But these are half the price, literally. They're like $12, so they're definitely worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the applicator, and I'm gonna build this up little by little. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put X amount like this first, and then I'm just gonna go in with my finger, and you can go with the brush if you want. I'm gonna go in with my finger. This is how I did it the first time, and I'm just patting it out. Going in with the second layer, and I'm concentrating it mostly at the base of the eye. Slightly bringing it up a little bit, like that. Going in with my finger. And just like that, you guys. Oh my god, so pretty. This glitter is so beautiful, and it's already like set. It doesn't budge or anything like that, you guys. It's amazing. So let's go ahead and do the other eye. Same thing, the applicator. This is how I like to usually play with glitters. I like to go in little by little, because if you do put too much, it will overshadow the whole entire eye look, and then it looks patchy and not cute, believe me. That's why I don't really do a lot of glitter looks. It's very difficult to work with. But these are so easy to work with that it's not a problem, you know? And they're super easy. They're literally made for anyone. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much the top portion of the eyes. I mean, what do you guys think? It's super simple but super pretty. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line. Taking that first transition shade that we used, and just smoking this on the lower lash line a little bit. And if you guys are wondering, this is a Sigma E25 brush. And I do have an affiliate code with them if you guys ever want to check out Sigma brushes and save some money. I definitely love Sigma brushes and Morphe. They're both my favorite brushes in the entire world. And now going with that Pooter shade, I'm using the Sigma E36. It's more of a pencil type of brush, and I'm going to concentrate just a little bit of this on the outer portion as well to create some depth, like I did on the top. For eyeliner, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, and you can opt this out. It doesn't have to be black. It can be brown, it can be nude, whatever you like. For mascara, I'm using my Benefit Roller Lash. I have been obsessed with this mascara lately. I love it. So you can go ahead and stop the look right here with the mascara if you have lashes, if you're blessed with lashes. I'm not, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some falsies. I'm gonna use the Lovelock Cosmetics, the same ones that I used for my original look in the Lashaholic style. They're like this, they're super long and wispy and dramatic, but not dramatic. You'll guys see, they're really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes and finish the rest of my face, and I will be right back. So I almost forgot the inner corner highlight. I mean, I knew I felt naked somewhere. So I'm gonna use the shade Beam. Just put this on the inner corner. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, this is such a beautiful inner corner highlight. Can you also imagine if this was all over the lid? Oh my god. Adding the inner corner highlight just completes this whole entire look as well. So I'm not going to use a blush today because I really want this look to be wearable for any occasion. And I feel like if you put a pink blush or a peachy blush, it kind of like contrasts. I mean, you can if you want to, but I really like going in with more of a shimmery bronzer. That way it just kind of like goes with everything and it's not like too much. So what I've been using lately is the Betty Luminizer from The Balm. And as you can see, it's a really pretty shimmery bronzer. And that's why I said I like to use this as like a blush lately. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep this on the cheeks like if it was a blush. And it just gives you that really pretty golden glow. It's kind of like a highlight. As you can see, it's really pretty. So now for highlight, I'm gonna go with one of the Ofra highlighters. This is in Everglow. This is from the first Nikki Tutorials collab that she came out with, and this is in the OG packaging. They recently revamped their packaging, their whole branding and everything. So I'm gonna go in with these two shades right here. I almost forgot how much I love these highlighters. They just make the skin look wet, like in a good way. Some on the nose, some a little bit on the chin, Cupid's bow. I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade, which is Glazed Donut, Powdered Donut. I forgot what it's called. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of this on the top portion of my cheeks right here, just to give it a little extra something something. Ooh. I've also been really loving the Pixie Glow Mist. It just gives you a beautiful glow, like I said. And for my lips, I use the Too Faced Lady Balls Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is my favorite Blue Tone Red liquid lipstick, and I barely hear anybody talk about the Too Faced liquid lipsticks. They've been around for a while, and I really love their formula. So that was it, you guys, for this look. What do you guys think? I honestly think it's such a beautiful and effortless look that is perfect for any occasion, especially the holidays. It's super simple, super pretty, and I hope you guys really like this look. I'm so happy that you guys requested me to do this look. I honestly think it's beautiful. Like I said, it's perfect for any occasion. I will leave all of the product details down below if you guys are interested. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it if you did. I will leave all of my other social media links down below as well, so you guys can check me out. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say except I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.